Hi, my name's Ron. I'm a mechanic here at the Guild. We're in the middle of restoration here on a 1961 Chevy Apache pickup truck. The truck came to us. It was a good driver, but it needed some work. So we started a complete restoration on this vehicle. We stripped it all down completely. The cab went into the body shop, and surprisingly, it was very little rust on it, so it just needed to be straightened out, primed up, and painted. And in the meantime, we stripped the chassis down, had it sandblasted, painted, and right now we're in there just putting everything back together. So as now we got the cab back on the chassis, and now I'm assembling everything. So just every little bit and piece we took off the truck, we got to put back on. So everything's clean now and reassembled. When you get into a job like that, you're completely dismantling the vehicle, taking it right down to every last nut and bolt you're stripping off it. So as you put it back together, you have to replace all the worn and damaged parts that you may find. So it's a really complicated, thorough job that you're going to be doing. Especially with these older vehicles, trying to locate the factory parts to replace. Sometimes you just can't get the parts you may need to do the job properly, and you have to make them or find used parts, and hopefully they're good enough to use. But in the end of it all, you're going to end up with a vehicle like it came from the factory, brand new. If you rebuild the transmission, the engine, differential, all your drive lines new and overhauled, your shocks, your tires, your brakes, you're going to end up with a brand new vehicle.